Ndalo moko tok meko mar oganda Jokenya riyo e piny mar Uganda, achiel kuomgi mane oyudo thuolo mobuoth giko duogo pacho kae. Rawero no manyinge Kofi Atandi olero midhiero mokadhe kanyaka sani chal mar jowetene ariyo pok ong'ere. Atandi oyango ni ne gidhi piny Uganda maromo kod jasiasa Robert Kyagulanyi mong'ere ahinya kaka Bobi Wine. Efi Nyakidi nigi ler mathoth.
Ma Kofi Atandi, achiel kuom rawere mane hape olor e kinde mana iteko oganda mamoko ariyo mag piny Kenya. Atandi oduogo pacho ka kowacho ni ne gidhi Uganda mar romo gi jasiasa kendo jaked ne ratich oganda Robert Kyagulanyi mong'ere ahinya kaka Bobi Wine.
Before we went to Kampala, we went through Jinja. We slept in Jinja for 2 days, and then from there we were actually invited for a private meeting with Bobi Wine. So the day we were to meet him is when Bob Njagi and Nicholas Oyo for the Free Kenya Movement Secretary General, that's when we lost them. Then we were actually having our lunch. After having our lunch, and then we were supposed to now go and meet Bobi Wine the same hour.
Kaluwore gi Atandi, jogo manoteko jakom riwruog Free Kenya Movement Bob Njagi kachiel kod jagoro mar riwruogno Nicholas Oyo noyudogi ka giloso nyamburko margi kendo ne giikore mar wuok dhi romo gi Bobi Wine. Owacho ni moko kuom jogo mane otekogi ne nigi gige lweny.
A vehicle came, a van that had men who were in uniform and others were not in uniform. Others were armed, and there was a woman, one, and then they took Bob and also SG and I myself. So once we got into the car, I was requested to come out and then lock the door of the car that was outside there, that was awaiting for the repair. I was told now not to get into that car. I wait, they are coming. So they left me there, stranded, not knowing where to go.
Kaka yor konyo reso jowetene, nogoyo simu pacho kane joked ne ratich oganda mamoko mondo mi oyud ler e wi okang' mano nyalo kawo. Chal mowacho ni ne pek bende kaluwore gi pek manokadhe.
The first phone call I made, I called, there's this friend of mine, is the president of Bunge la Mwananchi, there in Kitengela. I told him about the disappearance of them. I told him that now there are men who have taken these two Bob Njagi, the chairman for Free Kenya Movement, and the Secretary General for Free Kenya Movement, Nicholas Oyo. I reported, and then he told me that I should now go and report to the nearest embassy. By then I was so scared, I was tensed, like I couldn't be able to even get there. I didn't have even money, you know, they use Ugandan shilling.
Nyaka sani, chal mar ngima Bob Njagi kod Nicholas Oyo pok ong'ere. Gino mawachore ni oseweyo wedegi kod paro mang'eny.
It has been really a tough ordeal that they went through. The two are still missing. We want to let Kenyans know that it's not in vain that they have made noise on social media. It's not in vain that they have presented petitions to various embassies. We will keep pushing until we know and we get the whereabouts of Bob Njagi and Nicholas Oyo. Their families are going through tough times.
Wede Njagi kod Oyo ka achiel kod jogo makedo ne ratich oganda biro chiwo ote margi chieng' wuok tich juma mabiro. Efi Nyakidi, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Chendo mar ndiko joluto ombulu manyien manochakore